Okay, so let's start creating this cotton cheesecake batter. To start, I'm going to add 1 softened 8-ounce block of cream cheese. I'm also going to add 5 room temperature egg yolks, and the egg whites are in the refrigerator staying chilled. You want to make sure you keep those chilled. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar. This is granulated sugar. I'm going to go with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I have done recipes for Japanese cotton cheesecake in the past, several years ago. One was a strawberry one, another one was pumpkin, spice, and one thing I realized is I like more vanilla, so do what you like. Okay, and I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of softened butter. I'm also going to add a 1/3 cup of heavy cream. And now I'm just going to mix, combine until it is a light, frothy, pale yellow. Okay, so that is where I want it to be. Now I'm going to sift in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and a 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. And I'm just going to shake that. And actually, I'm going to shake a little bit, whisk it, shake it right into my bowl. I know. It'll help if I kind of do that. Now continue to whisk and mix until it is light and fluffy. Okay, smooth, light, and fluffy so far. This is going to hang out. I am going to work on the egg whites. Let me show you how I do that. Okay, so for the egg whites, here I have a very clean bowl. What I did was, this is just a washed bowl, and then what I did is added a little bit of white vinegar to a paper towel and wiped it down, just to make sure that I can really get nice, fluffy, stiff egg whites. So here are my chilled egg whites. These are egg whites from 5 large eggs. The yolks, remember we used that earlier in the batter. So I'm going to bring these to soft peaks. Then I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and that'll help stabilize the egg whites. A 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Keep going till stiff peaks. Okay, so I have my egg whites. They are at stiff peaks, as you can tell. So now I'm going to fold them into my batter, 1/3 at a time, I think. Oh, maybe half. Basically, you want to fold, not mix. Fold. And you kind of scrape it around the bowl, cut in the middle, around, cut in the middle, around, cut in the middle, and just keep doing that until it's folded in, and then repeat the process with the rest of the egg whites. Okay, so this is fluffy, light, and airy mixed in. So what I'm going to do is pour it or put it inside this 8 by 3 inch round cake pan that I've lined with parchment paper on the sides, the bottom. I sprayed it with cooking spray and just kind of pressed in the parchment paper. This will help get it out a lot easier. Okay, so going into my, and I'll put a link for this cake pan. I really like it. It works well for this. Okay, so it's in my cake pan. Now I'm going to do, just to get it, just like that. Here we go. So actually I've been using this paper towel. I'm gonna put this paper towel so it doesn't slide around into my baking dish. Now I'm going to add hot water to the side of this, at least halfway up the side of the pan. And this is going to go into a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour and 10 minutes. Okay, so my cheesecake is done, and what I'm going to do is actually just kind of drop it. You can already see it jiggle. I'm going to drop it. There we go. And I'm going to let it set just for a little bit, maybe 10-15 minutes, and then I'm going to turn it out and get it out of this pan. But it smells so good and I'm excited. The only thing I did forget to do is kind of smooth out the top. I did kind of tap it on the counter, but I probably should have smoothed it out more. It's okay. You can cover it, dust it in some powdered sugar. No one will be the wiser. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna, oh my God, it's jiggling already. So I'm gonna take it out. Oh my God. It's beautiful. And then you wanna peel. Just like that. This is a homemade jiggly cotton cheesecake, and I love it. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I actually make this for birthdays. My nephew, right now he was actually in Korea, but he's in college here, and when he's here for his birthday, I like to make him this for his birthday cake. He loves it. Okay, so now I'm going to sprinkle on or dust on my powdered sugar on top. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.